Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about email marketing and how you can use it to make $500 a day in affiliate marketing. So if you watch my YouTube channel, you know that I've talked about email marketing a lot in previous videos. And you know, as an affiliate marketer or as a business owner, you should know that email marketing is the core of your online business, because many things can just go wrong in your business. If you have social profiles, they can just be deleted by the platform, but the only thing that is going to stay in your business is your email list. So it's important to build one. If you're not building, you're losing a lot of money. So you should definitely build an email list, because email list, if you have a good email list, that's pretty much instant money. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Okay, we're going to talk about how you can actually build a good email list. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to take you through everything step by step and explain how you can build a good email list, how to manage it correctly, and how to make money from it. So yeah, so before we start, if you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every day. And also like this video and leave a comment. Let me know if you have any questions, or just leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by going to my computer. I'm going to talk about some basic tools that you're going to be using in email marketing, and then we're going to come back and just start drawing some stuff. All right, so let's go to my computer and let's get started. All right, guys, so I'm going to talk about two things. First of all, I'm going to talk about tools that you're going to be using to build your email marketing business to promote affiliate products. And then I'm going to talk about lead magnets and all of that stuff, right? So first of all, let's talk about tools. So the first type of tool that you're going to need is an autoresponder tool. And if you do a simple Google search, you're going to be able to find a ton of them, okay? But when you're looking for one, it's important to find ones that actually allow affiliate marketing. So because you don't want to get in trouble, you don't want to end up losing your account. So it's really important, and for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you the ones that I'm using. So I'm just going to explain a little bit about them. So the tool, the autoresponder tool that I use to promote affiliate products, basically, I'm using Aweber. So Aweber is a tool that I started using the moment I started affiliate marketing. Like that was 5 years ago. I've been using them for a long time, and this was the first autoresponder tool. And it's a great tool because it doesn't cost that much, and also it's really easy to work with, and there are no contracts, so you can just stop paying them whenever you want. If you feel like this is a business you don't want to be in, you can just stop paying them and just close your account immediately. Okay, so it's a good tool. It's simple, easy to use, and gives you most of the features that you need to build your email marketing business. Now another tool that I use is Infusionsoft. Now Infusionsoft is a little bit more advanced because it doesn't just give you email marketing, but it gives you like a lot of other stuff, like CRMs, payment processing, and different stuff. And this is something you can use for more advanced projects. I'm using this for Adversity. So and the downside with Infusionsoft is that you actually have to sign a contract. But the good thing is that you might pay a little bit more, but you're gonna have a dedicated support and a lot of cool stuff that you can do with Infusionsoft. But if you're starting up, if you're brand new, I recommend Aweber. That's just a good place to start. Now next one is actually having a landing page tools, because you want to collect leads, right? So you want to send people to a page where they sign up to join your list. So there are two tools that you can use. The first one is Lead Pages, and this is again one of the first tools that I use as an affiliate, and it's really cool because it's simple to use and it has a good pricing. So it doesn't cost that much. It's like $37 a month or something like that. So it's a great tool that you can use, and it's easy to work with. So if you do a monthly, there you go. So you can get it for 37, or if you want to do annual, so you can just do 25 a month. You save some money in there. So that's that. So another tool that you can replace use instead of Lead Pages is Thrive Themes Architect. Now this is another one that you can use, but the downside for this is that you have to have a WordPress site. So this is a one-time fee, so you just pay for it once instead of the monthly like Lead Pages. But the downside for this is that you need to have a WordPress site. So like if you do a WordPress and if you get some basic hosting, you're gonna pay like $10 a month. So you gotta choose what works with your budget. So I just wanted to drop this for you, so you choose based on your budget. So yeah, so this is another way to go about this. Okay, so these are the tools that you use to build your email marketing business. You know, these are just basic tools. Next one is we want to talk about lead magnets. Okay, so lead magnets are basically the things that you're going to give away to people who are going to sign up to your list. Okay, so let me actually bring up a landing page that I've built. So here's an example of a landing page that I've built with lead pages, and as you see, what I have here is a free video. So your lead magnet is really important. This is how you get people to sign up to your list, right? And actually, we talk about lead magnets a lot inside Gold Masterclass. I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can check it out. So, and I'm going to give you like a template on how to research it, because lead magnet is the most important thing. You know, it can be an ebook, it can be a video, it can be anything you want, but it has to be good enough to do two things. First of all, it has to be good enough to get people to sign up to your list, and then it has to be good enough to go convert that, you know, free subscriber to a buyer. That's like another thing that you have to consider when you create your lead magnets. Now, you can do a lot of ways, you can do a lot of things to create your lead magnets. You can make a video, you can do it yourself. You know, you can just do some slides and make a video of it, or you can just order and pay someone to do a video for you, or you can find a couple of videos on YouTube and just, you know, give them as a lead magnet. I don't usually do that. I usually do my own videos, or if it's a product that I can't do a video for myself, off of myself. For example, in this case, it's a dog video, a dog product, and I really don't have experience in dog niche. So what I do is I paid someone else to do this video for me. So as you see, it's one way of doing it. So your lead magnet is really important. Make sure to spend a lot of time on this one. Okay, before you even build your landing page or your list, your lead magnet is really important. And one way to get a good lead magnet is to actually go to the affiliate section of the product you're promoting. If you just click on your affiliate link and go to the sales page and scroll down, you're gonna see the affiliate section. Okay, so you can just click the affiliate section, go to their affiliate section and see what kind of content they're giving you. Sometimes they give you videos, sometimes they give you ebooks. It's really cool. You can find a lot of nice stuff to use as lead magnets, so you don't have to build your own lead magnets. So that's one way of going about this. All right. Alright guys, so let's talk about something really important in your email marketing business, and this is something that if you're not doing correctly, you're pretty much gonna waste your time building a list that is not gonna make you any money, okay? And that is putting up the right follow-up timeline, okay? So this is really important. So you know, when you build a list, obviously you want to send automated emails. I talked about them a little bit in there. So you send these automated emails to provide value, and also, you know, once in a while maybe sell something to them. But it's important to not be spammy, and at the same time you don't want to annoy people with too many emails. So this is how I do it, and this is the basic. If you remember, I explained that. I get into details of these in a Gold Masterclass, so there's going to be a link in the description. I mentioned that one too, so check out the link in the description. But so there's a follow-up timeline. This is not working. Let's try this one. So there is a follow-up timeline that you need to really do right if you want to make money. So let me actually draw this like this. There you go. So, you know, when you get someone in, that's going to be your day one, right? So this is D1, and then there's going to be a day 2. There's going to be a day 3. So the way I do this is that I send an email on the first day, because obviously you want to send something to them. You know, if you're using a lead magnet, you want to send that lead magnet to them. Okay, so that's your first day. So what I do is, the first 2-3 days of someone joining your list are the most important days, and then the rest of them is going to be days where you have to be really careful to not annoy them with too many emails. So I send an email on the second day, on third day too, maybe fourth day. It depends on the product. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. Again, the strategy kind of changes with the product you're promoting, so it's really important to keep that in mind. That's something, again, we talk about inside Gold Masterclass. Link is in the description. So sometimes I don't send emails on the fourth day, sometimes I do, and then on fifth day I don't send emails. okay, and then I send another email on day 6. So again, what I'm doing is that I'm starting to create gaps between days. So this way they're not gonna expect your emails every day, because when you send emails every single day, what happens is that every day the prospect is gonna expect a email from you. And if you do something wrong, and maybe on your second email, the second email is not a good email, and it's not that interesting, they don't read it, or they just don't like the way you do it, so maybe they don't like it, and then when they get an email on 3rd, 4th, 5th day, they expect your emails to be the same, so they're not going to open your emails, they're just going to immediately delete it. Okay, so this way, by creating gaps, what you do is you actually give them some time to reconsider. At the same time, you're not going to annoy them with emails every single day. This way you increase your open rates, and when you have a better open rates, what happens is that your emails are going to be delivered to their mailbox, and they're actually going to open it. So this is really, really important. You want to create gaps. On 6th day, I send something, and then I don't send anything on 7th and 8th, and then I send another email on 9th. So this is, you create some gaps, so you keep your emails interesting and they open it. So this is really, really, really important. You need to create these gaps so you don't annoy your subscribers. 2 more things that I'm going to talk about to close this video is spam prevention, and also actually keeping your subscribers active. So let me explain how I do it. So first of all, this is the most important one. You don't want to put affiliate links in your emails. If you do that, your emails are going to go straight to the spam box. So your emails are not going to go to the prospect. Okay, so you want to make sure that you don't put affiliate links in your email. You should put links to your website, maybe a landing page or something like that, a page with information, but don't put affiliate links in your email. It's going to go straight to the spam, and it's not going to be delivered. So it's really important. And this way also, if you put affiliate links in your inbox, in your emails, you might cause some issues with the email marketing email autoresponder service, and they might send you some warnings and say, hey, you should not put affiliate links in your email. So they are going to send you warnings if you do that. So it's important, don't put affiliate links directly in your emails. And another thing that I do is that I move my subscribers to a new list once in a while. So let's say they've been in my list for 10 days, and I've sent them like 5 emails in these 10 days. Okay, so what I do is that after a while, I add a segment to to end of my email list, and then what's going to happen is that after like another 10 days, they're going to get a new email. Okay, and this email is going to ask them to sign up to another list. So maybe it's a new ebook, it's a new video, something like that. So the point is to move them to a new list. And this is really important, because when you move them to a new list, they're going to keep opening your emails. Okay, so it's when you move a subscriber to a new list, basically what you're doing is that you're just bringing them back to this day 1 thing. So because what's happening is that when you send emails over the time, this is going to be the most open rate, and then it's going to go down, 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 down. It's going to be lower, right? So when you move them to a new list, your open rates are going to go up. So it's really important to move them to a new list once in a while. I do it every 20-25 days. Depends on the product. Again, depends on the product, depends on what I'm promoting, and a lot of things change this. So, and again, you can learn all of these things in detail inside Gold Masterclass. Check it out. I'm going to leave a link in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment. If you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.